Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll explain, step by step, how the Ualá Mastercard works. Understanding how this card functions helps you manage your finances and make the most of its features. Let's get started. First, obtain your Ualá Mastercard. You can order the card through the Ualá app after registering and verifying your account. It will be delivered to your address. Next, activate your card. Once you receive it, open the Ualá app, go to Card Activation, and follow the instructions to link the card to your account. Then, fund your Ualá account. Deposit money via bank transfer, cash top-ups at authorized locations, or transfers from other accounts. Your MasterCard draws funds directly from your Ualá balance. After that, make payments. You can use your Ualá Mastercard anywhere MasterCard is accepted, in stores, online, or for recurring payments. Simply swipe, tap, or enter your card details online. Next, track your transactions. The Ualá app lets you monitor spending in real time, view your transaction history, and categorize expenses for better budgeting. Finally, manage your card features. Set up alerts, freeze the card if it's lost, and adjust limits directly in the Ualá app for added security and convenience. Quick tips. Always check your Ualá balance before making payments to avoid declined transactions. Enable security features like PIN protection and transaction notifications. Use the app's budgeting tools to track and control your spending. The Ualá Mastercard is simple, secure, and convenient, offering flexibility for daily spending when you understand how it works. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.